Hi everyone and welcome to EduLive. So in this video we are having the workbook answer of your CBSE class 10 first flight question textbook. So in this video we have covered all the question answers of your CBSE class 10 first flight textbook, and you can complete all these answers. So all the answers are completely correct and authentic, and if you still found any error, just make sure to comment down and we will try to help you out. So if you want some other type of videos as well, just comment down and we will try to upload them as well. And if you have enjoyed this video, so just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.
you